Have you ever scolded your dog for doing something wrong, and suddenly they lower their head, avoid eye contact, or slowly walk toward you with that unmistakably guilty look? Maybe they knocked something over, chewed up your favorite shoes, or made a mess somewhere in the house, and then their behavior suddenly changes. A lot of dog owners believe this is their dog trying to say sorry. But here's the surprising truth. Dogs don't apologize the same way humans do. Instead, they show a series of behaviors meant to calm the situation and reconnect with their owner. These actions are known by animal behavior experts as calming signals. Once you understand these signals, you'll start noticing that your dog may actually be trying to repair the bond between you after something goes wrong. In today's video, we're going to uncover the most common ways dogs try to apologize and rebuild trust with the person they love most. Some of these signs are obvious, but a few are behaviors that many dog owners completely misunderstand. Dogs are extremely social animals that rely heavily on relationships and emotional connection. When they sense tension, frustration, or anger from their owner, they instinctively try to calm the situation. They do this through subtle body language gestures and affectionate behaviors. In this video, you will discover 6 common ways dogs try to say sorry and reconnect with you after making a mistake. And once you understand these behaviors, you will see your dog in a completely different way. Let us start with the first sign that many dog owners notice immediately. Number 1. Your dog avoids eye contact. One of the first things many dog owners notice after scolding their dog is that the dog suddenly stops looking directly at them. Instead of maintaining eye contact, the dog may turn its head slightly, look toward the floor, or glance away whenever you look at them. To humans, this often appears as guilt. However, in the language of dogs, avoiding eye contact is actually a calming signal. In the animal world, direct staring can feel like a challenge or a threat. When a dog senses tension from their owner, they instinctively avoid direct eye contact to show that they do not want conflict. You may also notice the dog blinking slowly, lowering their ears, or turning their body slightly to the side. These subtle signals show that your dog is trying to calm the situation and communicate peaceful intentions. In simple terms, your dog understands that the moment is tense and wants things to return to normal. Dogs that share a strong emotional bond with their owners often use this behavior very quickly after sensing anger, frustration, or disappointment. It is one of the most common ways dogs attempt to reduce tension and reconnect with their favorite human. Number 2. Your dog lowers their body or tucks their tail. Another clear sign appears in your dog's body posture. After doing something wrong, your dog may approach you slowly, with their head lowered, their body slightly crouched, and their tail tucked close to their body. This posture is known as submissive body language. In the social world of dogs, submission is a powerful way to avoid conflict and restore harmony within the group. By lowering their body, your dog is signaling respect and acknowledging that the other individual is upset. It is their way of saying they do not want confrontation. You might also notice slower movements, cautious steps, or your dog sitting quietly near you while waiting for your reaction. These behaviors are designed to make the dog appear calm, non-threatening, and respectful. Dogs use this body language not only with humans, but also with other dogs in social situations. It helps prevent arguments and quickly reduce tension within the group. When your dog lowers their posture in front of you, they are essentially trying to calm the emotional atmosphere and rebuild the peaceful connection they normally share with you. Number 3. Your dog tries to lick you. Licking is one of the strongest social bonding behaviors dogs use with each other and with humans. From the time they are puppies, dogs use licking as a way to communicate affection, trust, and respect. Puppies often lick their mother's face, and adult dogs frequently lick members of their pack to strengthen social bonds. So when your dog approaches you after doing something wrong and starts licking your hands, fingers, or even your face, it can be their way of reconnecting with you emotionally. This behavior can serve several purposes at the same time. Your dog may be trying to comfort you, calm themselves because they sense tension, or remind you of the positive relationship you share. Licking also releases calming hormones in the brain, which help reduce stress and strengthen emotional connections. That is why dogs often use licking as a tool to repair social relationships. When your dog licks you after a tense moment, it is often their natural way of showing that they still trust you and want the bond between you to remain strong. Number 4. Your dog brings you a toy or object. Some dogs respond to tension in a surprising way. Instead of hiding or avoiding you, they grab their favorite toy and bring it directly to you. At first, this behavior might seem confusing. Why would a dog want to play immediately after being scolded? In reality, bringing a toy is often an attempt to shift the emotional atmosphere. Dogs understand that shared activities like play create positive emotions and strengthen social bonds. Offering you a toy can be their way of inviting you to change the situation from negative to positive. It is almost as if they are saying, "Let's do something fun together again." This playful gesture helps release tension and re-establish the friendly relationship they normally have with you. Highly social and affectionate dogs are especially likely to use play as a way to reconnect with their owners. When a dog brings you their favorite toy after a stressful moment, they are also showing trust because they are sharing something valuable with you. Number 5. Your dog stays very close to you. After getting into trouble, many dogs start staying unusually close to their owner. They may follow you from room to room, sit beside you on the floor, or lie down near your feet. This behavior is often a sign that your dog wants reassurance that everything is still okay between you. Dogs are extremely sensitive to emotional changes in their environment. If they sense tension, frustration, or disappointment, they may become more attached and seek physical closeness. By staying near you, they are trying to rebuild the feeling of comfort and safety that normally exists in your relationship. You might notice your dog leaning gently against your leg, resting their head on your lap, or simply sitting quietly nearby without asking for attention. Physical proximity helps calm both dogs and humans and can quickly restore the emotional connection that may have been disturbed. This behavior shows that your dog values the relationship and wants to make sure the bond between you remains strong. Number 6. Your dog acts extra affectionate. Sometimes, after doing something wrong, your dog suddenly becomes more affectionate than usual. They may wag their tail softly, follow you with gentle eyes, or ask for petting more often. This increase in affectionate behavior is another way dogs try to repair emotional tension. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions and can easily detect frustration, sadness, or disappointment in their owner's voice and body language. When they sense these emotions, they instinctively try to bring the relationship back to a positive emotional state. Extra affection can include gentle nudging, leaning against you, slow tail wagging, or quietly sitting close while looking at you with soft eyes. These behaviors help replace tension with comfort, trust, and connection. In many cases, this affectionate response is the dog's natural way of restoring harmony within their social group. It also highlights how deeply dogs care about maintaining a strong and peaceful bond with the humans they love. Dogs may not understand apologies the same way humans do, but they do understand relationships' trust and emotional connection. When something goes wrong, their natural instinct is to calm the situation and rebuild the bond with their owner. The behaviors we discussed today are not just random reactions, they are signs of communication, loyalty, and emotional awareness. And once you start recognizing these signals, you will realize that your dog is constantly trying to keep your relationship strong. Now we want to hear from you. What does your dog do after getting into trouble? Do they avoid eye contact, bring you a toy, or suddenly become extra affectionate? Tell us in the comments, because every dog has their own unique way of saying sorry. And if you love learning about dog behavior, make sure to subscribe for more videos that reveal the secret language of dogs.